You want to have good fluent English, but there is no one with whom you can talk on daily basis and who can help you in your journey of improving your speaking skills. This is the most common question that is asked in my all the training classes, that I want to have a good fluent English and I am looking for a partner who can help me with this. But unfortunately, I am not getting anyone. So, what if I tell you that you don't need anyone to practice with? All you can do is by yourself. You don't need to search for any partner. You can be your own partner. In this video, I will tell you about a very simple trick that you need to follow on daily basis. You have to take it as a challenge, and after 1 month, you will see a tremendous improvement in yourself. So, the trick is that you have to take any topic of your choice. The topic may be related to politics, education, agriculture, architecture, any topic, whatever you are interested in, and you have to speak 20 lines on that topic. Now, two things you have to consider. You have to start by making short sentences. Don't try to make long sentences, because if you will make long sentences, the probability is very high that you may commit mistakes. So, what you have to do, start with short sentences and do not be in a hurry. According to your pace, you have to make 20 sentences. So, speak out 20 sentences on that particular topic. Now, I'll give you a demo of this. Two things we need to keep in mind, that we don't need to be in hurry and we have to start by making short sentences. I will be speaking on education. So, education is very important. It must be made compulsory for people of all the ages. Without education, life is a complete waste. Nowadays, education is also available online. We don't only have to rely on bookish language. Education includes both practical and theoretical knowledge. With education, we can have a good life. By education, we can earn a lot of money. We don't need to spend a lot of money on the education. It is available online, so whatever we want, we can get it from internet. To keep this video short, I have spoken only 10 lines, but when you will practice, you have to start with at least 20 lines, and day by day you can increase the number of lines. Take it as a challenge for a month and do let me know in the comment section that how much it helped you. Also, I am an English trainer and I do take free spoken class on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in my spoken FB group. The link is in the description. You can join that group. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.